Hi, I'm Mark Friedman of the Friedman Rosenthal team at Brown Harris Stevens.
And I'm Richard Rosenthal, and we're here to welcome you to our new listing here at 37 West 12th Street.
Apartment 2B. The Butterfield house is located in the historic district of Greenwich Village, right here between 5th and 6th Avenues.
Known as the Gold Coast, this co-op, Butterfield House, was named after David Butterfield, the Civil War general who had his home on this very
Piece of land. Built in 1962 by architects Meyer, Whitley, and Glass, this co-op is commonly included in the 10 best post-war buildings in New York
City. This apartment is being made available for the first time in over 50 years by the estate of Ramsey Clark, a noted U.S. statesman, former U.S. Attorney General, and he presided over the famous
Chicago 7. In order to bring this property to market, we've painted it and staged it and put in brand new flooring and subflooring. But we left the best for you. Bring your contractor and create your own bathroom and kitchen. You know, Richard, this is one of my favorite neighborhoods because it's right between Washington Square Park, Union Square Park, and Jefferson Market.
Well, my favorite places in this neighborhood are the Bigelow Pharmacy, which is the oldest pharmacy in America, and great eating establishments like Lupa and Claudette.
Thanks for joining us at 37 West 12th Street, Apartment 2B. If you'd like more information or a private tour, contact us at frteam@bhsusa.com.